My name is 𝐒𝐲 𝐒𝐃 I've completed my BCom graduation in 2021 from National College of Commerce. I have 3.5 years of experience in customer service but in non-IT field. It was becoming a tedious work for me and I'm unable to see my growth in management. One of my friends suggested me to pursue my career in IT firms. So I have done a lot R&D and I came to know about the STAD Solution. Then I enrolled myself in manual testing course. STAD Solution is the right place where you get amazing learning along with good experience. They give assignments and practicals on regular basis. They sort doubts at the same time and conduct mock sections on exams as well. So we get to know where we are getting and where we have to learn more. STAD Solution also prepares for interview. I'm so grateful and fortunate to join STAD Solution because they prepared me so well. I highly recommend STAD Solution for those who have non-IT experience and want to grow career in IT industry.